Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an absolute monster of a home theater system. Meet the Nakamichi Dragon. This isn't just another soundbar. Before we get into the mind-blowing specs and performance, make sure to check the link in the description to grab the Nakamichi Dragon at the best price available right now. If you're serious about sound, this is the one to beat. Let's get started. Fire emoji. What is the Nakamichi Dragon? The Dragon is not just a soundbar. It's a flagship-level surround sound ecosystem designed for true audio purists and home theater enthusiasts. Built from the ground up with AVR processing, it delivers reference-quality audio that competes with full receiver plus speaker setups. This system features a 13-channel soundbar, dual 8 wireless subwoofers, 2 surround speakers with upfiring drivers, true 360 degrees spatial audio experience, headphone emoji, Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro, true 3D sound. The Dragon supports Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro, giving you overhead sound placement, pinpoint directional audio, immersive soundscapes for movies, games, and concerts. You'll hear helicopters flying above, raindrops behind you, and whispers right next to your ears. It's unreal. Brain emoji, AVR-level processing in a soundbar. Most soundbars fake it. This one doesn't. The Dragon features discrete AVR-style processing for all 11.4.6 channels. That means individual channel decoding, precise audio separation, cinema-grade dynamics and clarity. It's as close to a full receiver plus speaker setup as you'll get without actually wiring one together. High volume emoji, twin 8 wireless subwoofers equals beast mode bass. Most soundbars give you one sub. The Dragon gives you 2, and they're no joke. Dual 8-inch subwoofers, wireless but perfectly synced. Deep, controlled, room-shaking bass. No distortion, even at high volumes. It's bass you can feel in your chest, not just here. Satellite emoji, surrounds with upfiring drivers. The included rear surround speakers also feature upfiring drivers, giving you true height effects from behind, not just the front. It creates a massive 3D sound bubble around your listening area. Perfect for Dolby Atmos content on Netflix, Blu-ray, or your gaming console. White check mark emoji, pros and cons. White check mark emoji, pros. Best-in-class Dolby Atmos and DTS X Pro support. AVR quality processing in a plug-and-play setup. Dual subwoofers for next-level bass. Massive 21-channel soundstage with real rear plus high channels. Sleek, premium build quality. Do not enter sign emoji, cons. Premium price tag. Large footprint, make sure you have space. Setup takes time, but it's worth it. Checkered flag emoji, final verdict, is it worth it? If you want the most powerful, immersive, and cinematic soundbar system on the market in 2025, the Nakamichi Dragon is in a league of its own. It's not cheap, but if you're serious about movies, gaming, or music, this will blow away your expectations. It's basically a high-end AVR system disguised as a soundbar setup, with none of the wiring hassle. Push pin emoji, ready to bring the Dragon home? Click the link below to get it at the best deal today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this if you found it helpful. More epic home theater reviews are coming your way soon.